How to make a Google form public but not editable. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up web browser on your device. Now tap on search bar and type Google Forms. Now simply tap on search. Now tap on three dots and enable desktop site. Now tap on first website. Now tap on blank form. Now create a Google form. Now once you create it, simply tap on publish at the top right corner. Now simply tap on publish again. Now once you do that, simply tap on responses. Again tap on settings. Now tap on responses. Now make sure to disable allow response editing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.